So, anomalous expansion of water. What is anomalous expansion of water? So, what is the meaning of anomaly? Normal. It's not normal, right? It's not normal. But usually, listen, even in a liquid, in the case of a liquid, and even in solids also. But there are different things. Thermal expansion we have discussed. I know that. But you just understand that usually in liquids, as temperature increases, what will happen? Their volume increases. Volume will increase. What if temperature decreases? Volume decreases. Volume decreases. Which means temperature increases, it expands. Temperature decreases, it contracts. So this is what happens in liquids. But the thing is, look at this. There are some couple of factors which affect. So all of it. So in the case of water, so it's also called H2, right? So it behaves a different way. Okay, so I know like everyone knows that different materials behave towards temperature differently, but at least they all expand with respect. I mean, they all expand as temperature increases. They all contract as temperature decreases. The value will be different. The variation will be there. But the thing is, in the case of water, first 4 degrees Celsius. Look at this. Here, this much is the volume. This is the volume. And first 4 degrees Celsius, the volume is decreasing. And then after 4 degrees Celsius, 4 degrees Celsius is the minimum value of volume. And then it increases. Okay, this is not 0, by the way. Look at this, it's 1000. Okay, it's not 0. Alright. So then after 4 degrees Celsius, it increases. Okay, I mean the origin is not 0. Don't consider that. 1000, 110, 1016, like that. 15, 120, like that. So it's volume in centimeters. Alright. So why it's happening? Look at this, after 4 degrees Celsius, it's increasing continuously. Okay. So when you corresponding density graph, if you find corresponding density graph, the graph will be like, I have put the graph here. Look at this, the graph will be like this. First density is here, then density is increasing, and after 4 degrees Celsius, density is decreasing. So here at the 4 degrees Celsius is very important in the case of water, because at 4 degrees Celsius, the volume of the water will be very less, I mean the minimum, and the density will be maximum at that point. What is the use of that? Why water naturally it behaves like that? It is a natural property. There is no question like why it is like that. No. So it's naturally water behaves, it's a property of water. Why water behaves like that? Or what is the use of this? That is very important. In the case of cold countries, especially during winter time, you know that, but we don't have a proper winter here in South India, right? Like at least in North India it is there, like in Kashmir or Himachal, Uttarakhand, they have proper winter season. In winter, like the snowfall will be there, like the temperature will be minus, or temperature will be 0 degrees Celsius, 1 degree, 2 degrees Celsius will come. Okay, even in my place, Ooty also it comes like that. Ooty, 10 degrees Celsius, 9, 7, 6 like that it comes. During the night time it comes like 2 degrees Celsius. So the thing is, look at this. In this case, what happens in the cold countries in the winter season? Suppose this is their lakes or all the water bodies, especially water bodies, like lakes, ponds. So this is the water body. This is the bottom side of the water body. This is the bottom side. Okay. So you know that during the winter season, the surface of the water body will be like at 0 degrees Celsius and all. And what will happen? It will freeze. So suppose you consider, for example, this is minus 1 degree Celsius. Okay. What about the bottom layer? The bottom layer will not have that much temperature. The bottom layer will stay at 4 degrees Celsius. Suppose you consider 1, 2, 3, 4 degrees Celsius. Okay. So what will happen? At 4 degrees Celsius, the density is maximum. Density maximum means those 4 degrees Celsius water will come downside. So here they will have water, or all the water bodies will have water at 4 degrees Celsius. So 4 degrees Celsius means it's not ice. So all the organisms can survive during the winter time. on the bottom side of the lake. That is why water behaves like that. It's a beauty of nature, right? Nature is so beautiful. So that is why. Look at this. Otherwise, what will happen? This is 0 to 1 degree Celsius. This is also 1 degree Celsius. All of them will be 1 degree Celsius, and the entire lake will get frozen. That will not happen. Why? Because at 4 degrees Celsius, it will come downside. So downside, all the organisms. So the bottom layer of the lake or pond or any water body will be at 4 degrees Celsius. So all the organisms can survive there. Alright, I think you got it. It's pretty easy. Two graphs, please keep in your mind. So if there is a question, then you got to explain it by the help of graphs. Okay, with one example, this one. Why? Very simple. Okay, thank you.